Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very interesting and important because we are going to discuss whether layoff is the new normal in the IT industry. We are going to discuss everything about the hefty severance packages that are given by IT companies to the employees that they are terminating or laying off. We are going to discuss about home, car, bike loans and EMIs, and I'm going to share one incident that recently occurred. Okay, so let us move forward. The number one thing is that I recently met a person who is working in IT for the last 6 years. Okay, that person started at a very small company, that is a startup, and he soon got into a very good company. Okay, he was having a package of around 4 to 5 lakh rupees, and on top of that he bought a flat, okay, also in Pune city. So that person was having around 4.5 or 5 lakh rupees of salary, that person told me. And then that person mentioned that I got a very good offer from a like a company, okay, in Pune itself, and that company was paying him around 15 to 16 lakh rupees, I think, if I'm not wrong, if I remember correctly, right? So that company offered him 15 to 16 lakh rupees, but what happened was that person was on bench for more than 1.5 years. Okay, around 18 months that person was on bench, and that person traveled a lot of places, every like almost 50 to 60% of India, that person told me. Okay, so not going to reveal that person's name. Okay, but now what interesting happened was, after 18 months, the company where he joined, okay, after switching the first switch, that company mentioned that we do not have the project anymore. Okay, so the project that we hired you for, that project didn't come, it was for some company, right? So now what happened was that person was asked that we will be providing you some kind of severance package if you resign right now, and if you don't want to serve the notice period, we will be giving you additional 1.5 lakh rupees. So the policy was simple, that that person will be getting around 3 months of the salary, around what 1.5 into 3, like 4 point, around something around 4.5 lakh rupees in full. Along with that, on top of that, if the person is resigning right now, straight away right now, and taking off, okay, then that person will be getting around 1.5 lakh rupees or additional, okay, as a severance package. Okay, now this was a first instance. Okay, and that person told me that he took all this amount, okay, almost 5 6 lakh rupees, and put it into his flat investment. Okay, so then I asked him, like, did you were you not scared that you were having a loan of home loan specifically, which is a very big amount, right? And you were having a home loan, and still you did not hassle, or you did not feel something off, or you did not get anxious or anxiety, you didn't have a depression or something like that. That person mentioned that yes, initially I thought about it, that this would be impacting my life or my, like, my finances or other things. But he mentioned that I was having a very good runway, that is around 5 to 6 lakh rupees I was having in my bank account, and I could easily start preparing, because I was having that 90 days of this also, right? So I could directly start preparing for different companies, and so that person was a C++ developer, right? And that person got a job in another company. Now in that another company, which was a service based company, okay, so that company, that person worked for almost 1 year on a project, and again after 6 to 7 months, that person was laid off. I mean, there was a news about layoff. Okay, so what that person did, okay, now hear me out, guys. This is a very interesting part. Okay, so what that person did was, he asked his colleague to send him a email that we have accepted your resignation, and your last working day will be after 1 month. So for example, today that person has sent an email to his colleague that I am resigning from my position, and that colleague replied him back that okay, your release date will be this particular after 1 month or 30 days, right? So then what this person did was, this person took a screenshot of that, okay, and sent it to the HR. So the HR offered this person that I will be giving you offer letter, and then what you have to do is, you have to send me the screenshot, or you'll have to send me the email, confirmation email, that you will be getting released after 1 month. Okay, so that person, what smart move did was, he took a screenshot, he sent it to the HR, and the HR released the offer letter. And like this person who was sitting on 15 16 lakh rupees of salary, straight away got a 25 lakh rupees of offer. Okay, so now what happened was, this person's third company, right? So after that, he was doing a fourth jump, and luckily, okay, so that person knew that there is going to be a layoff in their company. Like after 1 year there was no project, and for 5 6 months he was on bench, right? So he was sitting on a bench of the project, okay, for almost 45 days. And then again, 45 days policy was there for people who are sitting on bench for the company bench, okay, something like that. And then what happened was the company told him that, see, we will not be having a lot of projects for C++. So why don't you do one thing? You still have 45 days of bench left. If you leave the company right now, okay, if you leave the company right now straight away, we will be giving you again a severance pay, which will be 3 lakh rupees. That is 3 months of salary. That is around 5 lakh rupees. Plus, we will be giving you 3 lakh rupees as settlement if you leave the company right now. You got it? So the company wanted that this person, if that person is leaving right now, the company will be paying around 8 lakh rupees as the severance package. So this person thought, I'll be getting 8 lakh rupees straight away, and I will be able to find another company because I have already spent more than 1.5 years in this company. I will be able to tell the HR I already have the offer, right? So this person mentioned that I already have the offer. I can tell the HR to prepone the date, okay? Before it was after 1 month, but then now he convinced the HR to give him a prior date because he was getting an early release. So guys, I just wanted to highlight this particular point with all of you guys, that even severance pay sometimes, or being laid off sometimes, can also be monetary benefit for a lot of people if the company is good and did want to take good care of their employees. Because personally, I've seen a startup, okay, a friend of mine was working at a startup, okay. Let me share that story also. He was working at a startup, and the CEO or the CTO, they got to know that there are very less projects. Okay, this was back in 2022. They were having very less projects and they were not able to survive, okay, in that particular market. So that is the reason they wanted to lay off the employees, okay. But what they did was very interesting and inspiring to everyone, okay. So that CEO and CTO, they reached out to their friends and they asked them if you are having vacancies in your company, and if you are having, they shared all the resumes of the people who were about to be laid off in their own company. They shared it with them, and they made sure that they got offers from different companies where their friends were working, the CTOs and the CEOs friends were working. So this is how you realize that even if like the IT company is going towards the layoff, like hire and fire policy a lot, okay, companies are only hiring for the particular amount of period, that is the project period, and then laying off the employees. But this is also becoming a new thing, because earlier people were expecting that you should work in a company for 4 to 5 years minimum in IT company before COVID, okay. But now after COVID, it is around 2 to 3 years. If you're working for the company for 2 years, then that is very good, that is okay. You won't be asked that why, where is your like dedication, commitment to the company or something like that. Nothing. You will be only asked about your skills and whether you will be able to deliver it on time or not, okay. So I just had this question for all of you guys, okay. If you feel whether what I've shared, okay, that layoffs is basically a new it is not a new thing, but it is a new normal basically in the IT industry, okay. So I wanted to know your perspectives, whether you feel that IT is safe, or I would refactor the question, or rename the question, like refactor the question basically, that whether you feel that this is the new normal and whether you accept it or not, okay. This is what my question is, and my question for you all folks is, who are watching the video till the very end, because this is a kind of end of the video, that please let us know what should be the appropriate time according to you to stay in the particular company, so that the HRs won't ask you like tricky questions, like pointy questions. So I just want to know from all of our viewers who are watching this video, please let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. With this, I would like to request you all to please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that. We put in a lot of hard work to create these videos for all of you guys. So please consider subscribing. Thank you and have a great day.